Chief Justice Brian Sykes says judicial efficiency is key to building investor confidence. He was speaking at the recently concluded 21 Regional Investments and Capital Market Conference.
Chief Justice Brian Sykes, in a room filled with local investors, policymakers and financial leaders from across the Caribbean this week.
Join with the judiciary in imploring the government to invest sums consistently over time to improve efficiency and the appearance of our courts.
That appeal comes at a time when Jamaica has made notable gains in macroeconomic stability, including debt reduction and steady growth in areas like logistics and financial services. However, challenges remain. For years, delays in the court system, case backlogs, and limited access to justice have been cited as obstacles to business confidence. Investors, particularly those overseas, often look at how quickly and fairly disputes can be resolved before deciding where to put their money.
If you're going to be talking about developing your capital markets and so on, you have to have a reliable, consistent, fair, rigorous enforcement environment. So the timeliness is critical. Well, in your industry, you know better than I do, time is quite literally money.
The Chief Justice, while noting that international research consistently shows that countries with efficient and independent judiciaries experience stronger economic growth and increased investment, then turned his attention to the issue of crime.
High crime and economic growth don't go well together. And so when you have an environment in which people are fearful, they don't come out. They stay at home. So industries such as the entertainment industry, the service industries, tend to be adversely affected.
Meanwhile, the judiciary has been pursuing reforms aimed at modernizing court operations, including expanded use of technology, and efforts are being made to reduce long-standing case backlogs. For Justice Sykes, these reforms are not just about justice, but also development.